Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can kick someone from a Snapchat group chat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you have to do is first of all access your Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Right after that, simply go ahead, switch to the chat section of yours. Over here you will be able to find out all of your chats, including the groups available. So to create a group, all you have to do is tap on this icon, simply add people to your group and add in the name, and you're done, right? But if you already have a group and you would like to simply remove the members, all you have to do is, again, let me show you back, tap on your group, tap on this group name on top, and now you will be able to find the group members, right? To add, all you have to do is tap on plus, search their name, add him, and if you want to remove the existing one or kick him out, you can simply press and hold, and now tap on this remove from group, tap on remove, and now that person is removed. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.